You spend a lot of time thinking about the now and the past. And I think anything that allows you to think about the future a lot more than you do now, is a plus. We knew nothing about the restaurant business. I started paying attention to the financials of the restaurant. And I'm like, wait, this is not how you run a business.
My partner and I had other businesses. We were looking at other opportunities.
We saw a restaurant for sale, and Crystal was like, hey, let's give it a shot. So that's how we started. Toast Finance, to me, gives me the peace of mind.
Unlike the traditional brick and mortar banks, we're able to access all the tools we need to manage our cash flow and access more money all from one place.
Toast Finance helps you to play offense instead of defense. What I mean by offense is this, with access to capital, you can spend more time marketing. So now I'm going to spend the time it takes to grow the business. One of the best features of Toast in general is Toast Capital.
We have used several Toast Capital loans that have helped us with repairs in our restaurant, offering new products, and also just expanding our restaurants, whether it's through new entertainment, new items for customers, or even expanding our restaurant itself with a bigger patio.
We just recently took out 2 big Toast Capital loans, so we kept them in the Toast check-in so we can take advantage of the rewards that you get from having a huge balance.
Toast checking is a real time saver. I'd say it saves us about 5 hours a week, which adds up when we're already working a ton of hours in our restaurant. We decided to use Toast checking once we found out it was available, so when it comes to operations as far as vendors and employees, it helps us run a lot more efficiently.
Jars is one of the amazing features of Toast check-in. You can set a certain percentage of money that you want to go into separate jars.
I'm able to have 5 jars on my table and budget our money, $10 in here, $10 in here. I'm able to see it all in one spot, but it's a place where I know it goes to and it stays and it's only used for that specific expense. I can't preach enough to other restaurant owners to switch to any kind of Toast Finance products. The seamlessness, the transparency, but more importantly, the efficiency. It's allowed us to do everything in one spot.
It's sort of like an ecosystem, right? It has all the different features that you'll need. It's a huge win.